More severe storms with the potential for damaging winds and a slight risk of tornadoes is on the way for Massachusetts and New England on Saturday. Saturday has been declared a weather impact day because of the heat and threat for severe storms. The storms are moving in from the west, and will begin with some early, weaker thunderstorms before the intensity amps up later in the day. The more intense storms are likely to start moving into central and eastern parts of Massachusetts at around 3 p.m., and continue until about 9 p.m. About 3 p.m. You'll start to see some showers and thunderstorms start to the north first and from the west, Storm Team 5 meteorologist Mike Wankum says. These will work their way across the state. By about 5 p.m., they're moving into the Interstate 495 area, Wankum said. As we head towards 6 p.m., they'll be moving into Boston. It will then work its way southward by 7 p.m. and clear the coast of Massachusetts by about 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. on Saturday, Wankum said. We're talking about damaging wind potential, but also flash flooding, said Storm Team 5 meteorologist Kelly Encicalisi. In addition to flash flooding and the wind potential, I do want to mention there's a low risk of tornadoes and possibly even some hail. The storms will be more widespread for most of Saturday across Vermont, New Hampshire and Maine. Following the storms, the winds will switch to the north and start bringing in drier air. Sunday is expected to be less humid with highs around 80.